Hi there, this is Chelsea from Enterprise. Welcome to today's episode on stock reporting. In today's session, we will be covering stock reports, stock posting, as well as stock valuations report. So let's get you started and enable you to see the value in your items on Enterprise. There are a number of reports available in Enterprise to show you the value in your stock items. For example, stock totals for each item, what warehouse the stock is stored, and the value of that stock. So let us take a look at the stock report. This is a detailed report on all your items, where you can see the breakdown of stock totals within the warehouse. From here, you can filter the columns to get the information you require. You can also add a new item at the top right, or edit the item from this report. If you drill down to any item, you will get further information. The information such as overview of sales, value of items per transaction, as well as stock position. Now we will take a look at stock posting report. This report will list down all the stock postings that took place for each item. Using the criteria box on the left, you can select what item or item groups to report on, date, and warehouse selection. If nothing is changed, then all the items are reported historically. When the results are displayed, they will be in the order which they have happened, so this is a good report to use as an audit trail for stocks coming in as well as stocks going out. You can also choose to export this report to Excel for record purposes or further analysis. The choice is yours. To export this report out, click on the symbol on the top right. Now we will take a look at the stock valuation report. You can run this report to get a value on your stock items at a chosen price list. This is based on the price list you have defined in the module settings and link them up to each of your items. Simply select the criteria on the left for the items, item group, warehouse, date selection to report up to, and then choose the price list to value your stock at. When the results are returned, you will see that we have a cost price column as taken from the chosen price list by the quantity in stock for that period to give you the value. So just to confirm that you are seeing the value of your in-stock totals for each item up to and including the report date that you chose. If that is different to today's date, it will not include the current stock totals. You can also report the results, and you can also export the results out into Excel for further analysis. Now you may want to take note that as you are posting stock transactions, there are journal entries happening which will affect your financial reports such as profit and loss for your revenue and cost of sales, your balance sheet as well as your trial balance. For further help, check out our help.enterprise.com or use our support chat to speak to one of our representatives. Now you're ready to start running stock reports. Thank you for watching.